what's up, guys? So we're gonna be throwing away this fish because it's old. It just cracked his neck open today. See it? So let's throw it in the toilet. Ew, ew. I'm sorry, fish. I love you. Bye bye. You're gonna die. I want you to. Alright. Where did the fish go? We have to dump some of the rocks. Dump the rocks? Wait, you need a glove and we need to take it out. Wait, guys. Fuck loud.
Right there, guys.
What?
Look.
Where? Where? Oh, right there! Guys. Bye, fish! No! It's gone! Our fish died. She's cramping. It was her fish. And I got her medal. If you comment down below, you can get this. No, we're getting a Yorkie. And I'm naming it Major. And Scar. Husky, they're boring. Chihuahua. Scratch Chihuahua. Oh, it's fishy. Guys, look at the thing. Oh, guys, Can I see the fishy? It's in the toilet. You can't see it anymore. You can't see nothing. We have to predict that the fish when like next year, next time when we all die, we're gonna be fishers maybe. Yeah. Do something? Leave it there. Yeah. Okay, you, Judea and Jack, come in. Yeah. We're gonna go, guys. So look, we're gonna do this stuff. We're gonna pray. No, we're not. You don't even know where we're at. I'm just saying, It's every day, bro, without the internet. You blink off and I'm like, no. Go. Okay, let's go over here. Now see. Oh, shit. What? Oh, you're back. Okay, let's go downstairs, guys. Jaddy, put that away. Put your peach away. Hi, wait. I hope you liked this video. If you just smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Wait. And get us to 1,400 likes. Bye.